Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be planning in my Go Get a Girl catch-all, and I'm going to be using Rongrong's Mom Life sticker book along with my Skinny Washi and my Zig Clean color dot. And so this week is extremely busy, and so I thought that this was a perfect sticker book. So let's go ahead and get the pages out of here, and then we can get started because so like Monday they had no school, and then the 14th it was Valentine's Day, it was my mom's birthday, and they had their little Valentine's Day celebration at their school. And then my son has a little cap and gown photo shoot today, and then tomorrow is conferences, and then Friday they don't have school, and then Monday they don't have school. So this is just an extremely busy week. So yeah, this was just the perfect sticker book. And remember that you guys can use code Stephany10 to save some money on your Rongrong order, and then Steph15 to save on your Go Get a Girl order. So I went ahead and picked out some of the stickers that I want to use, and then this is just Rongrong's Hands Off My sticker album, and I love using this one to pre-plan. It is just great for that. So I think that I want to start off with this. So I love these double boxes because they fit so well, like right here. So they're not perfect, but they fit pretty good. So yeah, I want to do that one there, and then do this one here. So I don't think that I'm going to do necessarily like a bluish and orangey theme, but I think I'm gonna mix it up. So yeah, this washi I thought would go great. And then I have my Zig Clean color dot. And then let's see. Okay, so I know that I want to place these quotes in the boxes. So this one just says, super mom, super wife, super tired. So yeah, that is exactly how I'm feeling this week. It is just a lot going on, and without my planner, I'd be extremely lost because there's just so many like things going on, and so many times as well. They're just really time specific. So yeah, my planner is really getting me by this week. Okay, so this one says the best thing you can do, the best thing you can spend on your kids is your time. Okay, so far so good. I love these double boxes, and they were great to put in this like little quote. So then what I thought that I would do is use the opposite girl on the other page. So I hope that made sense. Okay, so yeah, I'm thinking about using her here since I used her over here on Thursday. I might have to cut off her coffee cup. I'm not sure because I don't think that I want to put it over here. So let's see, I think I'm gonna bring her all the way down. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna do it. It is okay. So then this one, I hope that she was as big as this one, but she's a bit smaller, but it's completely okay, not a big deal. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I think I like that. So let's just trim off her little arm. Okay, so yeah, doesn't look too terrible. And then because she did have these like pay bill stickers on that sticker book, I thought that I would use them. I don't always use like things like this, but I said, why not? So did I want to do the opposite color of that? Yeah, I think I will, because this has already too much, well, this one has already too much like blue and green going on, so I'm gonna add the orangey one. So there's that one, and then here is this one. Okay, perfect. And then I thought that I would use this cute little header over here. So like I said, I don't always use things like this, but I thought, why not? they're there, so might as well use them. And so Thursday is when we have conferences, and it so happens that they had conference headers, so of course I wanted to use these. So I think I'm gonna do it here and then kind of write it down there. I don't necessarily use the timestamp, so yeah, I think it's gonna be okay. So then this one, let's see, I would probably write it there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do it maybe here. Okay, so yeah, right about there, and then I can list it here and here. Okay, so I used all of the stickers that I went ahead and pulled, but I still want to come back to it just to kind of fill up the area a little bit more. And then I also saw these stars, so I think that I want to use these as bullet points. So let's kind of see how that would look. And then today, which is Wednesday, Wednesday as I'm filming this, Go Get a Girl just revealed what they are dropping on Friday, which is an affirmation hoodie. She did just release crew necks, but these are affirmation hoodies. And so, yeah, I am super excited because they look so pretty, and I just love that they're like actual affirmation. So if you guys are interested, I can even pop a picture here because she actually posted a picture of it. And so that way I can show you guys. So let me see, I'm trying to think. I think one would go there, and then I think I have room for another one. Maybe here. Yeah, I think that's enough. So I went ahead and used that orangey color over here to bring more color over here. And then I'm going to do the blue stars over here on Wednesday. So yeah, we had the conferences, so we couldn't go that high up. So there's that one. We'll do this one on the 9 o'clock timestamp. Oh yeah, this looks so pretty. I'm so glad that I ended up like seeing these, because see, here we have some of these. So of course they're going to have like conference stickers and no school or early release, because this is a mom related sticker book, right? It only makes sense. So there's that one. Here's another one, and I think we have space for another one here. Okay, so yeah, that looks good. And then let's go ahead and add water intake here. And let's see, I don't know if I want to put anything else over here. So when I did a spread before, it was more of like that working mom. So this is definitely more like a busy, just typical mom. And so I really love these stickers. Let's see. What else do we have to work with? I am loving these like little coffee cups. Definitely running on this right now. And then today we got hit with some snow as well, so that's gonna be fun. I am actually getting ready to go pick up my son right now. He's in preschool and he is getting ready to come out, so I have to give myself enough time to make it there because of the snow. And then I have a minivan, which actually I believe only works on like the front tires, and so it's not all-wheel drive, and it is slipping and sliding all over the place. So yeah, that is so fun. So I definitely want to give myself enough time to make it there. So how about maybe we could even add another quote, maybe like down here. Let's see. This one says, "Thou shalt not try me." That is so funny. Okay, so maybe that. Okay, so not too bad. And then surviving motherhood, one meltdown at a time. Yeah, why not? So true. So we're bringing in more of that orangey color over here just so that we add more than just the blue, right? Yeah, I think that looks really good. And I think we might be done, right? Let's just kind of flip through it one last time and see if there's anything else that we would like to add. And I don't know what these smudges are. They're kind of driving me crazy, but I don't know. I tried erasing it, so then I smeared it, so then I'm like, forget it. I'm just gonna leave it alone. So hopefully once I start filling it in, you can't notice it that much. Well, at least I hope so. Oh, actually, I almost forgot. I need to add my script stickers because this does tend to like bring the spread together, and it kind of was looking a little bit bare, and this is why. I like adding my script stickers so that it kind of looks complete, right? So then we have Apple Watch right over here. It's so funny how like these make so much of a difference. And I almost forgot about them. So there's water intake down here. Okay, so let's see. Then we have, oh, actually, we don't even need the to-do one. And then we have workout. But lately, I just have not been on my A game. I have been missing and just not keeping up with my workouts. So that does make me a little bit sad, but hopefully I am able to get back on it. So yeah, I think we might be done. It is nice and simple, right? Not too much going on. I was thinking about adding, let's see, I like this little like planner, and then we have these notebooks as well, so maybe that one could go there. Oh yeah, I really like that. And then how about we use this one because of that like orangey color? Okay, so there we go. I am going to try to take off these smudges because they are really going to bother me. So hopefully I can do that. But let's go ahead and just add the pages. That way we can be done. And look at how the Galentine's Day and Valentine's Day spread turned out after the pen. I just love how it all looks together after I write in it. So yeah, I think these look super adorable and I just love them so much. So here is my Mom Life sticker, not sticker, but my Mom Life spread. I think it looks so pretty, and yeah, I am ready to fill all of this in because I know I'm going to need it. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.